All right, traders, a very warm welcome. I am Devang Mehra from the Financial Analyst, and today I welcome you all to the episode 5 of Traders Underground. This is a place where we talk to our traders and our clients about their journey in the stock markets, how they got started, and what they're doing right now. So today in the episode 5, I have with me Abhishek Khare. Abhishek, can you hear me?
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So, Abhishek, tell us a little bit about yourself. You have been a very, very old client. I think you were one of the first clients at TFA. And how was your journey? So, what are you doing right now? Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Actually, I'm a BTech student. I study in Delhi, third year.
Okay.
I joined you in I think 2017 or 18,
Okay.
if I remember correct.
Yeah, yeah.
तो मतलब कि हाँ आपका मैसेज आया था इंस्टा पे. You messaged me on Insta. I joined just right away.
Yeah. So,
My
it has
journey
been.
is like
बताओ.
my journey is like I haven't done any losses beforehand.
Okay.
So luckily I just got you, and I never faced any loss.
So, you have never faced
So it
any
was
losses.
only growth for me.
Wonderful.
Since I joined you, I have seen only growth. I never blowed up my account. Nothing like this just happened.
Thank you. This is something very extraordinary, and I don't get to hear this very often. But thank you so much, Abhishek. So I just want to back it up a little bit, thoda sa, and talk about you. So how old are you right now?
21.
21, and you started investing in the market somewhere 2-3 years back.
Yes.
Okay. So at that point of time, you were into equity, and now you are in. What are you doing now?
Actually, I never had this much fund, so I would मतलब investing का कभी सोच नहीं पाया क्योंकि इतना fund कभी था ही नहीं.
हाँ जी.
Like my fund was like 5,000 or 4,000. So what? तो आप ही ने फिर बताया कैसा ऐसा करो ये करो. तो वहां से फिर स्टार्ट किया था फंड. वो 5,000 10,000 15,000 वो ग्रो हुआ. फिर उसके बाद फिर डेरिवेटिव्स में आ गए ऑप्शंस.
So starting from 5,000, now where are you sitting at today?
My capital is right now 1.2 or 1.3 lakhs.
From 5,000, you have come to 1.2 lakhs. And are you working somewhere or just?
No, I'm just a student. And the fun fact is like मेरे घर पे नहीं पता है. Nobody knows I trade.
But they will be very proud of you. What you have done from 5,000, getting it all the way up to 1.2 lakh without growing your account. It's probably because you are a quick learner. Your management of risk is great. Your understanding of the markets is phenomenal. So it's all your effort. Hats off to you. Yeah. That is why you are so respected in this community, and everyone always waits for your messages, and your comments are always respected, because what you have achieved at this young age is something people never are able to achieve in the markets. So just I want to because you are one of my first clients, and for the viewers, this will be something very interesting. So can you tell me, when I approached you, what were we doing back then? Because now we're totally different.
When you approached me, so you were like giving calls. Like I was like, sir, कैसे क्या करना है? So you said I would specify it. You said buy shares of Colgate. It will blast very soon. So the price was like 1,100 Colgate.
Yeah.
And it went up till 1,500 or 1,600 around. So my fund was not big enough to buy such a huge quantity. But I bought 3 or 4 shares of Colgate, and I have like 1,000 rupees of profit in it. So, but the 1,000 rupees were way big, huge for me, because the first shares what I purchased was advised by you. That was Colgate. I still remember. I never forget it.
This is in 2018. When things were normal, when markets were in their normal flow, and I think it's your very good luck that you have. And can you tell me, the viewers, what was the price we charged you?
50 rupees.
This is 50 rupees.
50 rupees for a call. Yes.
Just to tell everyone, when we started around 2018, early 2019, our model at TFA was to offer something irresistible, best quality. That's why, we always, we started with recommendations, just like Abhishek is telling. So we used to, get people, give them recommendations just for 50 rupees. And that is where people started trusting us. And this is one live proof that from 2018, Abhishek was so satisfied. Now he's still with us in our mentorship programs and our community. So great, great, yeah. So when did so you were with us in 2018 and you took mentorship. मुझे बताओ, when did you take mentorship from us?
Actually, mentorship after this call I took, you said that we are providing mentorships and all. Then I took, okay, I will take it. So back then I also take mentorship, and Harsh
Yeah.
Thakur sir हैं, he mentored me. But in that area I was having some network issues, so I couldn't complete my mentorship back then. But
So
now again,
yeah,
हाँ.
tell me, बताओ.
But now again, when again our RTCAT program came, so you said कि again now you want to take it. So I was like कि हाँ अब करते हैं, अब मतलब सब normal हैं. तो फिर अब किया भी recently, तो फिर आपने mentor किया फिर.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. And how was your experience learning? Because this is the first time you have learned in the markets. Pehle you were, depending upon others' knowledge. Now you are after this mentorship. How? So do you remember कब mentorship हुआ था आपका? I think December या Jan में हुआ था.
हाँ, Jan.
So it's been 3 months. Uh, what were your expectations from the program? Satisfied हैं कि कुछ रह गया?
नहीं sir, my all I have completed. Just अब तो बस experience ही gain कर रहे हैं एक तरह से market में. The technical terms are all clear. I can look what market is doing, what can we expect.
Okay, great. So 3 months it's been, and now you are trading what? Equity की options. अभी क्या करते हो?
I am trading options. Now I am trading full time like derivatives and options.
Full time you are in options, ठीक है.
हाँ.
And is it stock options or index options?
Actually, I do both, मतलब stocks and index also, but I am more comfortable in stock options. Index options, there are huge volatility. I cannot manage that.
And something which I like about you is, with a small capital, you are trading stock options which are more expensive. And what has been the returns like? I mean, since January, if I start with January date, once you started, what was the capital back then that you were having in January?
In January, my capital was like 35 or 40,000.
35, 40,000. So this
35,
is
40,000.
before the mentorship started.
Before the mentorship started.
Okay, and then you started putting money in the markets in stock options, and it's been now 2.5, 3 months. What is it standing at this moment right now?
It is around 130 or 125.
So it's been 4 times. If I'm 30,000 to 1.2, so you have grown your capital 4 times. I think that's something I'm very proud of, and my team is very proud of, which the viewers also will be very proud of. And you have no background in finance.
No, I don't have any background in finance. There's no one in my home that they are in finance.
And you have been very passionate about the market. That's the main thing. Passion has driven you, right?
We can say that because if you see my attendance in last 1 year in my colleges, it has been like 23%, 25%. So I never attend my online classes. So once I will tell you, once I got into the online classes, professor was like, "Who are you? From where are you?" Sir, I am in this class only. So it's like this now.
Understood. So, matlab, you are a living example, Abhishek. I want to give it that to you. You are a living example that dreams come true. You started with nothing, and where you are right now, it is something which makes me very proud. And hats off to you, yeah. So, what is the now program has been done? Now, tell me, how is the after support that you're getting? It's been 3 years. Are you still in touch with us? Are you getting the support that you want?
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely. I have been in touch since 2018. I have been in touch since I was not doing any mentorship, but still you were in touch with me, right? कोई भी अगर हेल्प चाहिए हो या कुछ भी चाहिए हो, आई वाज नॉट डूइंग एनी मेंटरशिप और नथिंग, बट यू आर स्टिल इन टच विथ मी. सो आफ्टर मेंटरशिप वाज आल्सो लाइक दैट ओनली. आई never faced any changes.
Great. So perfect. Yeah, I'm very happy. And what is one advice that you would like to give here to the viewers? People, a lot of people are starting like you, and they're new to the market, just turned 18, where you started very small capital. तो कैन यू टेल मी यार, क्या तू क्या बोलना चाहेगा उनको कि कैसे स्टार्ट करना चाहिए? तेरा क्या एडवाइस है, बिकॉज यू हैव ग्रोन अ लॉट.
Sir, advice I would like to give that is, बस don't blow your account. If your capital, आपके पास अगर capital रहेगा, if your capital will still be there, then you will be able to learn and you will be able to grow. But if you will put just your money in one basket and it will blow up, so you cannot survive in market because you have no capital to do.
Right. And मतलब you can also start at 5,000. That is a lot of people, उनके मन में रहती है कि यार 5,000 इतना छोटा अमाउंट मार्केट में कैसे आओगे, एंड तूने वो किया हुआ है, which is extraordinary. So is it possible? Is it still possible sitting in
Yes, it is
2021?
it is possible. It is possible. I have done it because sir, के बहुत छोटे से अगर अपन चालू भी करते हैं तो eventually it will grow. Eventually it will grow. Somewhere it will go.
ठीक बात है
तो
यार. बहुत बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, you
अप्स
were
एंड
saying.
डाउन्स होते हैं सर, ऐसा नहीं लॉसेस नहीं होते हैं. Like I was like 70K, again back to 40K, but again 60K, 1 lakh, again down to 60. It's like this. ऐसा होता रहता है, but eventually we are growing.
Understood. So 3 takeaways I have taken, from this meeting with you. 3 things I have taken away. Number one is patience. Start small, but be patient. Believe in the process. Number two is diversification. Never put everything in one basket. Like you said, if you put everything, पैसा ही नहीं है, 5,000 रुपए है, सब कुछ डाल दिया, वो खत्म हो जाएगा. And I remember when we invested into Colgate also, some shares are here, something is invested in something else. We were getting dividend. So
Yes sir,
diversification
yes
was
sir.
important. Diversification is very important even for any investors watching this video. So really good. And third is always believe in yourself. Never, put yourself down. And please don't blow up your account. Invest in education. Learn what you need to do and then put your money into it. ठीक है, great यार, great.
Exactly sir.
So happy Holi, by the way.
Same to you sir.
ठीक है, चलो यार. Thank you so much, Abhishek. Very nice to talk to you as always यार. Thank you.